Hi everybody, right, this morning I want to share about a process what we call air scour. So air scour basically is a process that we use in water engineering to actually pump in the air inside the filter in hoping that it will actually trigger the bubbles inside the filter and can actually clean the sand media thoroughly. So basically what we do that because we want to ensure that the media are able to lift up all the hidden impurities inside, and by doing so basically it will actually lift up all the dirt that trap inside the media. This is what we want. Okay, so in water engineering, that this one process also being used in many because they actually do this air scour process almost daily, every day. So in residential water filtration, this is what we want to achieve. You can applicable with any kind of sand filter or media filters, and of course that this will be a good process professionally to ensure the media always clean. And in some cases, even if your media have carbon inside, you will be able to reactivate back the carbon because there will be a friction between the carbon. Right, so today I'm going to share with you and let's through the process accordingly. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, let's go start. So this is, we have a WR1054, which is our automatic filter from Wangsamas filter. As you can see that this is the media with the fine sand, quartz sand, and activated carbon media. Yeah. So of course this is the first stage, because if you want to have perfect system, we need to allocate two tanks. One will be the sand and second one will be the fully carbon. Yeah, sand and quartz sand media, one tank, right? And the other one will be activated carbon. Right. So this is our module 1. So as you can see, so how to do for automatic system. Before we do our scouring, we have to go through to the backwash process first. Yeah, the backwash process is actually very easy. Yeah, so you need to trigger this as a backwash first. Yeah, as you can see. Okay, this filter being set at least to do a 2 cycle of backwash and rinsing, as you can see here. Yeah. Okay, so 101. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we'll actually trigger this for doing a manual overriding process for backwash. Okay, so we open the lock first. Okay, now then we will start to actually execute manually first. Okay, so F001. Okay, this is the backwash process. The backwash happening now. Okay. Okay. So if you can see, this is the backwash process. For your information, that our filter being set to backwash daily. And you can actually see this is the quality of water that we're talking about. The backwash daily, you will be able to see that technically that water is pretty much clean, right? So this is what we want to achieve. In residential, we have a high quality water. Yeah, wherever the backwash is being set accordingly. So this will do a 5 minutes backwash process. So okay, as you can see, it's actually very clear. Yeah, might be a little bit orangey, but technically it's still clear. This will not be achieved by the normal manual filter. Only auto can achieve this with the right setting and composition of media. Okay. Alright. Next step, what we want to do, we want to on the pump switch here. Okay. So the pump is on. So what we want, we're gonna off the mains. We're gonna take out this. Okay. So technically this is water. So you're gonna inject this thing, the air, inside the filter, okay? And we're gonna just open here. Okay, as you can see now, the air scouring process is started. So what's actually happening here, that actually we inject the air inside the filter, okay, and we start to showing a little bit of the brownish color, okay, which is what I say, this will even better because it cleans thoroughly. You see it's a bit orangey here, right? Just now we can't achieve this with normal backwash, but with the air scouring this can happen. As you can see, another things that you see that the is actually moving. The filter is moving, the tank, if you can see from here. Yeah. So during the air scour process, basically that the air inject inside, so the bubble will come from the bottom of the filter straight away to up and release back in the backwash tank. Now you can see, this is when the air scouring happens. The scratch dirt is all there and it's coming out. Again, this will not be achieved by using the normal backwash process, although it's still clean though, but this is during air scour. This time we try to do the backwash, it looks clear because it's backwash daily, but still we still have a hidden dirt that trapped inside the media. So this can only be achieved by using air scouring, air scour to really clean thoroughly. Okay. While waiting, did you see the shake? The filter actually shaking, moving because of that. Okay. So wait process, yeah, about 15 minutes to 20 minutes to let it clean thoroughly. You can see this is the rinsing process after air scour, water on orangey. So you have minutes to release all the dirt outside the media. Okay, you can see this is after the rinsing media. We actually drain all the water inside to ensure that it's fully thoroughly clean, and you can see how dirty it is. Yeah? You can see how dirty it is. This is all the hidden media. Yeah, so the rinsing process, you can actually see after the scour, yeah, we drain all the media out and you can see all the dirt inside. So this is all the trapped dirt inside the media. So this is after the rinsing. Yeah, we drain out all the media inside for the water inside the media, and this is air coming through from the backwash. Okay, so you see lots of dirt there. So you see a good air scour process. This will do the normal process, and this will refill back the tank with the backwash flow. So by doing so, we're putting the water to really clear up and force the media out. Okay, you see, this time we use all clear. Now this is the result after the backwash being done. Currently backwash happening after the scouring being done. Yeah, you see there's now a lot of hidden dirt here. Yeah, and this will remain hidden if we don't do scour. And this can generate toxin because we have a chlorinated water with trapped organic matter. It actually create what we call trihalomethane. Alright, so it's good to do a scour. Yeah. It's within every 6 months or once a year to make sure we remove the dirt thoroughly. As you can see, the water now getting more clearer and clearer, and we can rest assured that the media inside, the trapped dirt, is already removed. Yeah. Okay. Now it's been about a minute and you can see the water is pretty much clear, and we have removed all the dirt inside the trap media, which is very good. Yeah. After this, the system will automatically done a rinsing, and you can see the water even more clearer. It's crystal clear water. This can be achieved by using scour, because just now we did the backwash, but although backwash also effective, daily back. Yeah, so after this the system will go through the rinsing. Okay, and that is the time also we'll see. So this, bear in mind, this clear water is a backwash condition. Yeah, so it's crystal clear. Okay, now the system will do the rinsing. For another 3 minutes rinsing, then we've done the whole process. Okay, rinsing even more clear. See, we still have 1.5 minutes to go. And the water is really crystal clear, as you can see from the video. Really crystal clear. So okay everyone, that is the process of the scour. As you can see, this filter is by our company Wangsamas. We are professional in doing the water filtration work. Yeah, we understand the necessity of doing the scour. And as you can see, just now we did a backwash. The water looks clear, but it's not so clear. But after we did scour, you see there's a hidden truth, right? That lots of dirt that trapped inside will be able to come out because of the ability to do the air scour. Yeah, so the bubble will actually remove all trapped dirt inside. And now the process already completed. As you can see, this is a very good process for household as well, to maintain the water always clean. Alright, thank you. I hope this video helpful. If you need any information on how to do a scour, or maybe basically you can call us. Yeah, we part of our service. Yeah, in Klang Valley, basically Kuala Lumpur, Selangor, we can actually come. Any kind of filter we can do, as long as sand filters. Now, don't get me wrong. Many in the media actually do lots of information that might not be always correct, right? So for example, that lots of membrane filter application supposed to be for inside the house, not outside the house. Why? Because the filtration is very fine, so we're looking at to do step down filtration. So sand media is actually always preferred First, there will be no pressure drop. No doubt the media membrane have improved, but again, the membrane for 0.01 micron as a point of entry may not be so efficient. Yeah, mainly is because there's a lot of trapped sediment will be inside. And the backwash process for membrane, installing a membrane, your ultrafiltration membrane, it should be backwash at all time. Right, so we do have a membrane system, but we do it for point of use, which is inside the house for drinking purposes. And our membrane is basically auto clean, so you're able to clean by itself, right? So whenever you open the main tap, you actually clean the membrane. That is for our under the sink. It's called WR Filter Blue. So you want to know more about our filter, you can just Google search Wangsamas Filter. We are a Malaysian company, right? It's very much boutique. We start just before pandemic, right? So we know what we're talking about. I've been trained by water treatment and design engineer. She's 65 years old now. Previously is a Swedish water filter company, and I'm an engineer myself. Yeah. So this is Hadi Ong reporting live from the site by doing air scour service. Alright, thank you.